Negative numbers 1. In this nugget, the learning objective is to recognise and place negative numbers on a number line. We'll start by counting backwards from 0 into negative numbers, and then we'll explore when negative numbers are used. So here's a number line that we'd recognise, from 0 to 10. But number lines don't start at 0. What if we count backwards from 0? If we do that, we go into negative numbers. So, we get negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, and negative 10. These numbers are negative. They are less than 0. Any number that is more than 0 is called a positive number. So now have a look at the two numbers and decide whereabouts on the number line they would go. Pause the video if you need to. So, negative 11 would go on the negative side of the number line, just before negative 10, and 11, or positive 11, would go on the positive side of the number line to the right of number 10. Have a think now about when you might see or use negative numbers. Pause the video now to give you some time to do this. You may have thought about temperature. Often measure temperature in degrees Celsius. If it's a negative temperature, for example, negative 3 degrees Celsius, it's very cold and below freezing, which would be 0 degrees Celsius. As the temperature rises and becomes positive, the temperature becomes warmer. You may have also seen negative numbers on lifts in buildings. If a floor of a building is below the ground level, it may have a negative number. For example, negative 2 were 2 floors below ground level. Your turn now. Can you fill blanks on this number line? Pause the video and have a go. Well done if you got negative 6, negative 5, negative 1, 6, and 8. Now have a go at counting back in the value of the question mark. Pause the video and have a go. Well done if you counted back to get to negative 8. So remember, negative numbers are numbers that are less than 0. As you move to the left on a number line, the number